Now we have to solve this boolean expression. This is little bit tricky. Okay, as you just have studied that a plus ab is equal to a, right? So can we write down a is equal to a plus ab, right? So this is a and I'm writing this down a as a plus ab, then a plus ab plus a bar b. Up to here it's clear. I just converted this a into a plus ab. Okay, so after that what we can do, we have to remember it like this. If it can't be solved directly, we have to add something or subtract something like that only. So these are the some common properties which you need to remember, like that is a is equal to a plus ab. Okay, so in this we can take b as a common. Can we take b common? Then what would be left inside? Tell me. A plus a bar, and you know what is the property according to our law? That is a plus a bar is equal to 1, right? So its answer is a plus b. LHS is equal to RHS, that is proof.